If you've ever wanted to add a custom amount to your Steam wallet, the good news is that there are a few easy ways to do it. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest options step by step. Whether you want to top up your balance for a specific purchase, send a custom digital gift card, or use a browser extension for more flexible funding, I'll show you exactly how it works. And just a quick reminder, Steam does have a minimum transaction amount, so keep that in mind as we go. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first method is the fastest one, and honestly, it's the one most people overlook. You do not always need to manually add money to your Steam wallet first. If you already know what game or item you want to buy, just add it to your cart and go to checkout. On the payment screen, select Steam Wallet as your payment method. Now here's the clever part. If your current wallet balance is too low to cover the full purchase, Steam will automatically calculate the exact difference you need. That means instead of adding a random preset amount, Steam will ask you to pay only the exact amount required to complete the transaction, such as $12.47 or whatever your total difference happens to be. From there, you can pay that exact amount with your card or PayPal, and Steam will complete the purchase without forcing you to overfund your wallet. This is by far the easiest way to effectively add a custom amount when you already have a purchase in mind. It saves time, it avoids leftover balance, and it works really well for precise spending. Now, if you want to add a custom amount for later use, or you want to send money to someone else, the next method is the digital gift card option. To do this, go to the Steam website and open the digital gift card page. Steam lets you send digital gift cards in a range of preset amounts, but this method is still useful when you want to create a very specific balance for another account or a friend. A lot of users also use this method between their own accounts when they want to hit a particular total. So if you're trying to transfer a precise amount in a simple way, digital gift cards are a solid option. Just choose the amount that's closest to what you need, enter the recipient, and continue through the checkout process. It's a very straightforward way to control how much value gets sent, especially if you're not trying to use the wallet directly on the same account. Now let's talk about the third method, which is the most flexible if you do this often. If you want to manually type in a custom Steam wallet amount, install the Augmented Steam browser extension. This works on Chrome and Firefox, and once it's installed, head over to the Steam Add Funds page in your browser. The extension adds a simple text box that lets you enter a custom amount instead of only choosing preset values. You can type in the amount you want as long as it meets Steam's minimum requirement. This is really helpful if you want exact control over your balance and you don't want to rely on the normal preset options. Keep in mind that Steam still has a hard minimum of $5 for any single transaction. So you can add $5.01 or $100.42, but you cannot add $1. That minimum applies no matter which method you use, so it's important to plan around that before you check out. If you run into issues, always double check that your payment method is supported and that your browser extension is up to date. And if you're using Augmented Steam for the first time, make sure you're only installing it from the official extension store so your account stays safe. So to quickly recap, if you want the fastest option, use the checkout difference method. If you want to send or prepare a specific balance, use a digital gift card. And if you want more direct control over the amount you enter, use the Augmented Steam extension. Those are the best ways to add custom money amounts to your Steam wallet without making the process more complicated than it needs to be. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.